Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding the new invoicing policy coming in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia from December 4th 2021. So there is some law that says that the invoice and the POS receipt should be in a particular format containing a QR code which scans and result a particular format. So this will be coming into the existence from December 4. So all the ERP system should be ready to this law. So let's see what we have in Odoo for this purpose. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 15 community edition, where I will be showing how to achieve or how to make this policy inside Odoo. So currently if I go to settings, and here you can see my company information is here. I'll click on update info, and here you can see I have set my country of company as Saudi Arabia. So first thing that you have to do is that you should install these two modules. So if I search here inside the App Store, just search KSA, then you will be seeing let me search like k.s.a. then you can see there is two module called L10 SA invoice and L10 SA POS. So in order to, like, what we can say, in order to make our invoice receipt and POS receipt compatible with this law, what you have to do is that you have to install these two modules in your database. Simply you can go to the apps menu and you can search k.s.a, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Then you can see two modules, one for invoice and one for point of sale. So if you are not using point of sale, you don't need to install this. So if you need to only in invoicing, you can simply install this module. So once this module is installed, make sure that go to settings and go to company information and make sure that you have installed or set your VAT ID here inside the company. So here you can see we have tax ID field. So I have set the value as 1234567, which is an arbitrary value. And if I go back to invoicing, so here I have the invoicing, and what I will do, I'll create a new invoice. So I'll choose a customer from Saudi itself. So here I have a customer called Adam, and if I open, you can see his country is Saudi Arabia. So the customer also should belongs to Saudi Arabia. And what I will do, I'll choose a product in the invoice line, and here you can see 147 is the total with tax 15% of, it's around 22 Saudi Riyal. So I'll click on save, and if you print the report, so here you have the invoice receipt. So I'll click on invoice, which will gives me the PDF, and if I open, you can see this is coming in this format. Right now there is no QR code. What happens if you confirm this invoice? So I'll click on confirm, that is I will post this invoice, and if I print it again, so I'll click on the print again, and if you open, you can see an invoicing is coming at the top of the invoice. So this is what this new law says. We should have an QR code in the invoice receipt. On scanning this, it should return seller's name, company information, total amount, tax amount, etc. So right now if you scan this using a normal scanner, you will be getting an hash. You won't get a desired result if you scan using your camera or using a normal QR code reader. So in order to read this, you have to install some specific devices. So if you are using Android, you can go to Play Store, and if you search for Saudi QR, you can see different free applications are available. So if I open the first one from here, you can see you can scan using this. So if you scan using this, you will be getting a result like this. Seller's name is this, seller's VAT number you will be getting, invoice date time you will be getting, invoice total amount, and VAT total you will be receiving. So what you have done is, once you configure this, download this app. Like you can download this app from Play Store, and for iOS also it will be available in the Apple Store. Just download, and if you scan this, you will be getting desired result like this QR compatible with Zakat, tax and customs authority. So simply you can scan this and you will be getting the desired information. Suppose if you scan this using a normal cam, and if you are getting like plain text, that is not a right software. The QR code must be encoded. So this is about the invoice. And if I go to the POS, so here I can see I have already installed the point of sale also. So I'll simply open a new session. So you can see I'll open my new session, and what I will do, I'll add some products to my cart. So I have added 4 products to my cart. There is no tax, and I'll choose my customer add-them, set customer. I'll make payment by using cash. Right now there is no tax, and on validating you can see the receipt has been generated with containing the QR code. You can see here we have the company logo, and here we have the QR code which is compatible with the new tax authority. You can scan this, and also you will be getting the desired result as in backend. So this is how you can make your system compatible with new law coming from December 4th in Saudi Arabia. So if I close this, I'll enter the balance here 1347.30, and I'll close this session. You can go to invoicing, and if we open this is the last generated invoice, and if you go here, and you can see if you go to what you can see, if you need to see the encoded string, you can go to edit view form and inherited views. I'll make a field visible. What I will do, I'll make a new field to the form, field name, and let me take that field name. So here I have Odoo GitHub. This is that module, and if I go to the models and account move.py, here you have this field L10 SA QR code STR. So simply I'll make that visible in the form, and let's see the encoded string. Just save this, save, and just refresh. You will see that encoded string. You will be seeing this is the encoded string. And if you need to read, suppose if you don't need any QR code reader, you can go to this website, that is base64decode.org. I will enter my hashed string here, and if I click on decode, you can see Odoo mates, and here it's coming in some format. You have the time here, you have the total amount 169.05 with tax 22.05. so you can see on decoding the string you'll be getting these details. So simply add this functionality, scan using these readers, and you will be getting the desired result. So this functionality is available in Odoo 14 and Odoo version 15. So we know still it is needed in the less than below versions like 13, 12 and 11 etc. But unfortunately Odoo has added this to 14 and 15, and we will be trying to backport this functionality to Odoo version 13, 12, 11 and 10. So you don't need to use any custom modules available in the Odoo App Store. Just go to the Odoo apps menu and install these 2 modules in your database and configure as we have suggested. So that's all about this video. If you have any doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, don't hesitate to comment it out or reach us over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.